Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Christian Royce Ambagan from Jorizal FAGE2 at kasama natin ngayon si Mr. Jonel Nicolas, isang Operations Manager. Meron lamang po kaming dalawang katanungan para sa inyo patungkol ito sa ating bayani ng si Rizal at simbolo ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Para sa unang katanungan, ano po ang pinaka hinahangaan ninyo kay Dr. Jose Rizal bilang ating pambansang bayani?
Actually, medyo simple yung question, but if we analyze it properly, pinaka means the most, but hindi lang kasi isa yung contribution ni Jose Rizal in terms of being our national hero. Marami siyang ginawa for the Philippines, and for him to do it is a very brave action to use his wit, his intelligence, and wisdom to create like Noli Me Tangere, El Filibusterismo, but somehow bring this fire to the revolutionaries during that time, and eventually we get the freedom from the colony of the Spain. So isa yun sa sabi ko na hinahangaan natin, kasi sa current natin generation medyo walang ganon, but going back to what Rizal has did, it's something na we have to bring back, and we have to educate the current generation, especially madami ngayon na uso like AI, social media, and all of these technologies na somehow nakakalimutan natin to give back. Ano ba yung core of what Rizal did? It's more of the intelligence, nag-aral siya, and then he did everything by his own research. So yeah, I think that's something.
Maraming salamat po. Para naman po sa ikalawang katanungan, bakit mahalagang alalahanin at isabuhay ng mga Pilipino ngayon ang mga pagpapahalaga ni Dr. Rizal?
In connection to my first response, ngayon is very high-tech na lahat. Even automated, when you can purchase something, you can buy something, everything is automated. You pay, you shop online. Pero lahat ngayon, may ChatGPT, may CapCut. Pero during that time, walang ganito. So it's something na the schools might consider to give back, and then or put back sa curriculum, na this is something that is missing sa current generation. Kasi if they try to value everything, it's something na makikita nila yung real value if they persevere, if they do the research properly, like sila pupunta sa library. We still have these libraries available at the present, but I think it has to be marketed na kids can go there, high school, college, elementary, for them to embrace kung saan ba nanggaling yung talino, yung lahat ng effort ni Jose Rizal para sa Pilipinas. So yeah, yun yung kailangan natin ibalik. Hopefully, the schools would consider putting it back sa curriculum na I think may reason not to use ChatGPT, Google, everything has to put back to what original setup is way back before. So yun lang.
Okay, maraming salamat Mr. Jonel Nicolas. Muli ako po si Christian Royce Ambagan from Jorizal FAGE2. Maraming salamat po.